Hello, class 9th. This video is for you, The Lost Child, that by Mulk Raj Anand. Okay. Now, detailed summary. It was a day of a spring festival, and all the villagers were going brightly dressed to a fair. A little boy and his parents were also among them. The kid was excited and thrilled to see the small toy shops on the way and the flies and the bees in the fields. His parents kept calling him over and reminded him to walk beside them. इसमें एक बच्चा जो है स्प्रिंग फेस्टिवल को अटेंड करने अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ जा रहा है और उसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है और जब उसको रास्ते में टॉय शॉप्स मिलती हैं तो वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है। इसके अलावा वो खेतों में फ्लाइज देखता है, बीज देखता है और हिज पेरेंट्स जो है उसके पेरेंट्स जो हैं उसको बार बार जब वो पीछे रह जाता है तो उसको बुलाते हैं आगे आने के लिए। At last they reached the fair and a large crowd of people left the boy confused. He was happy and bewildered at the same time. He saw a sweetmeat seller at the entrance and was tempted to have the barfi displayed on the counter. He demanded the sweet half-heartedly because he knew that instead of buying it for him, his parents would term him greedy. So he moved on and soon came across a flower seller fascinated by the gulmohar garlands, and he again made a faint demand for the flowers. He knew well that his parents would not buy anything, for flowers were cheap in their opinion. Moving on. और उसके बाद में जब वो मेले में पहुंचता है वहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों को देखता है तो वो बहुत सारे लोगों को देखकर कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, लेकिन साथ के साथ हैप्पी भी होता है, खुश भी होता है। और वो सबसे पहले उसके सामने जो आती है एक मिठाई की दुकान आती है। उसको बर्फ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, लेकिन वो बहुत हाफ हार्टेडली डिमांड करता है कि उसको बर्फ़ी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो जानता है कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसको बोलेंगे कि वो ग्रीडी है। उसके बाद में एक फ्लावर सेलर आता है, फूल बेचने वाला आता है। वहाँ पर गुलमोहर की गार्लैंड्स उसको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं और लेकिन वो ये भी जानता है कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसको नहीं दिलवाएंगे, क्योंकि वो बोलेंगे कि ये बहुत सस्ती चीज़ें हैं, और वो आगे बढ़ जाता है। He saw a balloon seller. He was thrilled to see the bright colored balloons, but knew that his parents would not buy one for him because they thought that he was too old to play with balloons. Next, a snake charmer playing the flute drew his attention. The child moved towards him a little, but withdrew his steps because he knew that his parents had forbidden him to hear such rough music. On moving ahead, the child was charmed by the roundabout in full swing. Failing to resist his desire, he made a bold request to his parents to let him go on the roundabout. उसके बाद में उसको एक बैलून बेचने वाला मिलता है और वो बैलून उसको बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं। वो कलरफुल बैलून हैं जो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लगते हैं और वो लेकिन उनको नहीं ख़रीदता है। और उसके बाद में नहीं, वो सोचता है कि उसको नहीं दिलवाएंगे। और उसके बाद में उसको एक स्नेक चार्मर मीन्स सपेरा, जो कि सांप के उसको बीन बजाकर सांप की एक्टिविटीज़ दिखाता है, वहाँ पर वो खड़ा हो जाता है। लेकिन वो फिर भी सोचता है कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसको वहाँ नहीं खड़ा रहने देंगे और कहेंगे कि ये बहुत रफ़ म्यूज़िक है। इसके बाद में वो आगे बढ़ता है, लेकिन जब वो आगे राउंड अबाउट जो एक स्विंग है उस वहाँ पर पहुँचता है, वह अपने डिज़ायर को नहीं रोक पाता और वो बहुत ज़्यादा उसके साथ में इच्छा के साथ में वो डिज़ायर करता है कि वो स्विंग पर बैठना चाहता है। लेकिन जब वो पीछे मुड़कर अपने पेरेंट्स की तरफ को देखता है, लेकिन वहाँ पर उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं होते और तो वो इधर उधर देखने लगता है और परेशान हो जाता है। The child did not get any reply, so he turned to look at his parents. They were not to be seen anywhere near him. He got extremely scared and started crying. He ran here and there but could not find them. He rushed in panic to a shrine which was crowded with people. He tried to make his way through the feet of this crowd, but was knocked down and began crying loudly. A man heard his cries and rescued him from being trampled. उसके बाद में बच्चा जो है जब वो देखता है कि उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं तो वो इधर उधर देखता है, डर जाता है और वो रोने लगता है। और उसकी तरफ से वो टेंपल की तरफ देखता है जहाँ पर कि क्राउड जो है उसी के तरह के कपड़े पहने हुए हैं जैसे कि उसके पेरेंट्स पहनते हैं, और वो वहाँ पे जाकर देखता है, लेकिन भीड़ के बीच में वो खो जाता है और अगर उसको एक आदमी नहीं बचाता तो वो पैरों के नीचे आ जाता। Lifting the little boy in his arms, the kind man asked him now had he got there, and whose baby he was. The scared child did not answer and kept crying and asking for his parents. और वो बच्चा जो है इतना डरा हुआ है, और वो आदमी जो है उसको नीचे से, क्योंकि नहीं तो वो पैरों में आ जाता है तो उसको ऊपर उठा लेता है, अपनी बाहों में ले लेता है और उससे पूछता है कि वो किसका बच्चा है। और उसके बाद में उसका वो जो है वो, लेकिन बच्चा इतना डरा हुआ है कि वो किसी भी चीज़ का आंसर नहीं देता है, वो रोता रहता है और अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जाने की जिद करता है और अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए पूछता रहता है। द गुड मैन tried to soothe him and took him to the roundabout, offering to get him a ride on the horse. उसके बाद में वो उसको हॉर्स राइडिंग के लिए राउंड अबाउट पर लेकर जाता है, स्विंग के ऊपर लेकर जाता है। बट द चाइल्ड डिड नॉट वांट एनीथिंग एल्स अदर देन his mother and father. The man took the inconsolable child to the snake charmer, the balloon seller, and the flower seller one by one. He offered to fulfill all wishes that he had made just a little while ago. But the child turned down all the offers. He just wanted his parents and nothing else. उसके बाद में वो बच्चा जो है उसको जो भला आदमी है, जो अच्छा आदमी है, उसको बलून सेलर के पास लेकर जाता है, फ्लावर्स के पास लेकर जाता है, और उसको फिर वो स्वीट जो मिठाई की दुकान है वहाँ पर भी लेकर जाता है। लेकिन बच्चे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता, और वो क्या करता है कि वो रोता रहता है और उसको पेरेंट्स ही चाहिए होते हैं। अब इसके ये लेसन के नीचे जो दिए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं ये वो हैं, दैट इज़ नाउ दीज आर NCERT क्वेश्चंस। व्हाट आर द थिंग्स द चाइल्ड सीज ऑन हिज वे टू द फेयर, व्हाई डज ही लैग बिहाइंड? The child sees a number of things which fascinate him on his way to the fair. Firstly, he saw toys at the shop. Then he saw a flowering mustard field. In the fields, the child also saw dragonflies, butterflies fluttering their wings. Then, while walking on the footpath, he was amazed by the insects and worms. When he entered the grove, he saw doves which were cooing. As he neared the village with his parents, he saw huge crowds of people going to the fair. The child also came across sweetmeat sellers selling sweets like barfi and gulab jamun, and a little further he came across a flower seller who was selling a garland of gulmohar. Walking ahead, he saw a man selling rainbow-colored balloons. He also saw a snake charmer who stood playing a flute to a snake. Finally, before losing track of his parents, he saw a roundabout swing. The child keeps lagging behind his parents on the way, and his mother and father have to constantly call him so that he doesn't lag behind. This is because the child is fascinated by all the things he sees on his way. At times he stops to be able to buy toys, and at other times he stops to admire the beauty of the nature, collecting flowers, catching butterflies. Question number 2. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? He realizes that he has lost his way when, on reaching the roundabout, he stopped to observe it moving in full swing, with men, women, and children enjoying themselves on it. Watching them intently, he turned to his parents to ask for permission to go on the rounds, but there was no reply from them. He turned to look for them, but they were there. He looked all around, but there was no sign of them. A deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying out in real fear, "Mother, Father!" Tears rolled down from his eyes. He rushed. His flushed face means red face, was convulsed with fear. Convulsed का मतलब है कि that was shaking, वो हिल रहा था, जर्क आ रहे थे उसमें. Panic stricken, he ran from one side to the other in all directions, knowing not where to go. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. Question number 4. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? The lost child loses interest in the things that he had wanted earlier because he was panic stricken on being separated from his parents. All he wanted was to be united with them. All the things that attracted him in the fair no longer appealed to him, and now the only thing that matters is finding his parents. Question number 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? In the end, the parents The parents, who continuously kept checking to see that he was with them right from the beginning of their journey, may have suddenly realized that he was missing and come looking for the lost child. The kind and understanding man who tried to console the little boy by offering him various things at the fair may also have asked him for some description of his parents and helped him to be reunited with them. It means there was possibility of meeting. Children, these are extra questions. Okay, the first is, did not fattier distract child's mind from the toy seller? Now here the plow did not fattier distract. It means ये एक्चुअली इस जो क्वेश्चन है ये और तरह से बना हुआ है. इसमें सिंपल क्वेश्चन इस तरह से बन सकता है ये कि विच वर द थिंग्स दैट वर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग चाइल्ड्स माइंड फ्रॉम द टॉय सेलर. The child's toy seller, he told his parents that he wanted to buy a toy, but his father was the stern. He looked at him with anger. The child was familiar with the father's strict ways, so he did not insist on buying the toy. इस क्वेश्चन को आप इस तरह से लिखिए कि when the child asked for the toy, what was father's reaction? Don't write down what it is written here. Okay. Question number 2. There were some things he knew his parents would not buy for him, so he did not ask for them. What were these? The child knew his parents well. He wanted to have a garland of gulmohar flowers, but he knows, it is knows children, that his parents would say, और इसमें knew भी word लिख सकते हो, KNEW, knew that his parents would say that the flowers were very cheap. Then he wanted to buy balloons, but he knew that his parents, it is not MS, it is his parents, would say that he was too big to play with them, so he did not ask the parents for garlands and balloons. Question number 3. How did the child try to catch one of the dragonflies? Was he able to catch one? There was a mustard field before the child. He saw a group of dragonflies in the fields. He was attracted to them. One dragonfly stilled its wings and rested. It means वो एक जगह रुकी और एक फूल पर बैठी. The boy tried to catch it, but it flew away and the child could not catch it. Question number 4. Describe the village scene when people were heading towards the fair. It was a springtime. Children, this one can be important. It was a springtime. A crowd of men, women and children were going to, okay, it is a crowd, that's why was it used, was going to the fair. They were dressed in colorful clothes. Some of them were on foot, some rode on horses, while others went in bullock carts. It is not cans, it is carts, CARTS. There were many shops on the way. People were in a joyful mood. Question number 5. What was the child's reaction to seeing the sweets seller? The child saw a man selling sweets. He was crying. Gulab jamun, rasgulla and barfi, jalebi. His shop displayed a number of sweets. These looked good and mouth-watering. Barfi was the child's favorite sweet, so he told his parents that he wanted some barfi. Question number 6. Why did the child go to the snake charmer? Why did he not stay there? The child saw a snake charmer. He was playing the flute before the snake. The music charmed the boy greatly, but he did not stay there and moved away. He knew that his parents, children, this one line is repeated. His parents had forbidden him to hear such music. They thought that it was a rough music, coarse music, rough music. Question number 7. What did the man do to make the child happy? The man saw the child crying. He lifted him up in the arms and tried to soothe him. He took the child to the snake charmer. Then he offered to buy balloons for him. He offered to buy him flowers. Then he took him to the sweet shop. But the child did not want to buy anything. He wanted only to be united with his parents. United means अपने parents के साथ जाना. Where did the child go with his parents? What did he want there? The child went to a fair with his parents, which had been organized to celebrate the festival of spring. He wanted them to buy him sweets, garlands and balloons at the fair. He also wanted to see the snake charmer show and ride on a roundabout. This question, it means question number 8 is also very good. Was the fair popular with people in general? Give reasons. The fair was certainly very popular with people in general because they had left their daily routine work, dressed up in their best, and had come to enjoy the spring festival. They were with their families and crowded the stalls and rides displayed at the fair. Parents were in a hurry to reach the fair, but the child was delaying them. How? The child was getting tempted by the many distractions on the way to fair. Sometimes he would stop by the toy shop, while at other times he would start running after butterflies. The parents had to pause frequently and call him to walk beside them. Children, these are the main characters of the story, that is the lost child. It means the child himself. The child was very excited. A character sketch. You can also prepare them as a character sketch. The child was very excited as he was to a fair with his parents. He was fascinated by many things like toys, many sweets, a garland, etc. In the fair, he asked his parents to buy something for him, but they refused him. He was an obedient child as he could see the refusal for his demands on his parents' face. He wanted to enjoy the roundabout, but as he moved back to request his parents for it, he found his parents nowhere. His face was convulsed. His face was convulsed with fear, and tears rolled down from his eyes. कन्वर्स विथ फियर का मतलब है डर के मारे उसका जो चेहरे का बुरा हाल हुआ था, राइट. अ मैन फ्रॉम द क्राउड हर्ड हिज cries and tried to console him by offering different things which previously he wanted to have. The fear is so predominant that the child did not show any interest. He was so innocent that he only wanted his parents. Children, unknown man. It means the generous man. The unknown man was a very kind and generous man in the crowd. He was the only one who came forward to help the lost child. First, he lifted up the lost child in his arms. He asked the child about him and his parents and got to know that he had lost his parents. He tried each and everything to console the lost and sobbing child. He offered every exciting thing in the fair to the child which earlier he wanted to buy. The unknown man is the symbol of humanity who is ready to help the lost child in all aspects. Now, children, here, that is, you will just see the notes are over. Okay, the lost child. Now your task is to go through them and to write them. Okay, and if any words meaning you don't know, you write in your notebook separately and you can ask me in your tuition class. Okay, children, take care.